Okay, let me do this. My Facebook page is Ronald, Ronald, Fremeth, Fremeth. I am going to put up a pie sequence. In this pie sequence, I'm looking for the sequence of three colors. It is baby blue, it is brown, and it is pink. They are in the circles. The squares in the design will be the original numbers. I'm going to show you what they are. Okay, I've turned 147 into light blue. I have turned 2, 5, and 8 into brown. I have turned 3, 6, 9 into pink. So what was once a brown 6, okay, will now be turned into pink. What was once a light blue 3 will now be turned into pink. 1, 4, 7, 1 red, 4 dark blue, and 7 green will all have a circle inside that is light blue and becomes the number 3. The 2, 5, 8, where 2 is yellow, 5 is orange, and 8 is purple, will now have a brown circle inside and be called number 6. Number 3 will turn into a 9, okay, and light blue 3, the circle, will now become pink. So I'm looking for the combinations, okay, of 3 colors. Do not count the white. All I'm looking for, I'm going to show it to you here, but then you're going to go onto my Facebook page, okay. Over here is light blue and red. That means it was a number 1. All the light blues will be number 3. All the pinks will be number 9, and all the browns will be number 6. So there's 3, 6, 9. So all these colors will turn everything into 3, 6, 9. 3, 3, 3, 6, 9, 6, 9, 6, 9, 6, 6, 9. See, this is an error on green. This is an error on green. It has to be corrected. It's a good thing I caught it. The green has to be, let me turn this book over and see. Now the green, it was a 7, and it has to be blue. So I am going to go, I'm going to go and turn that into a blue. I don't know why it was like that. So I'm going to have to look for some of these mistakes. I don't know why it was like that. Maybe I hit the wrong thing. So now here's a dark blue. So that was once a 4, right? Now it's going to be a 3. This was once a 3. Now it's pink. It's going to be a 9. This is number 8 because it's purple. It now becomes a 6. So it becomes 6, 9, 6, 3, 9, 6, skip between the left side and the right side. This is a 0, okay? All zeros are going to be white. I don't want to count any of them, okay? Now we're going to go 6, 6, and then this one over here is a 3. And then this one over here is brown, so it's a 6, 9, 3, 3, 9, 3, 3, 6, 9. And this is what I want to know. I want to know those combinations. And this is what I believe within this sequence. I will have bunches of combinations. I'm not sure what the sequence, how many there's going to be. Forget about broken up by 0. It doesn't matter right now. 0 is a blank, just like I saw in certain things I was working on, that 0 gets replaced. And 0 is getting replaced because it's a void or a blank spot. Let's say there's a spot that's open and there's nothing there right now. In the blank spot, we are going to have to put a number or a color. Something will go there, or it's like in a horse race. It's blank until we find out which number is going to go in that spot. We leave it blank. If number 6 goes in the spot, we'll put a 6 over the white. If you're playing pool, all the pool balls have a white color, have a white spot on it. All the pool balls have black on it. All the pool balls are white and black. The black is the number, the white is the spot where the black number goes, and then you have the color of the ball. You have 2 circles in pool. You have the outline around the circle. You have the circle of the ball. And then you have the color circle. So you'll have the circle white. You'll have the outline between the color of the ball and the circle. And the ball is round, so you can put a circle. So when you hit a ball, it goes through. And a ball moving, okay, creates a passageway of a circle. So we have to keep on going and understand what's going on. There may be some errors, so if you understood what I wrote, I'm going to show it to you again. That if you see a brown square, the brown squares will all become pink. If you see a dark blue square, those dark blue squares will become light blue in the circle. If you see a red square, okay, the red squares will all be light blue. If you see a yellow square, all those yellow squares will be brown. If you see a green square, the green square will now become light blue. If you see a purple square inside, you'll see a round circle in the purple square, and they'll all be brown. The light blue square, okay, which was once the number 3, will now be pink. The brown square, which was once 6, will now be pink, and pink will be the 9. So all we're doing is changing everything into 3, 6, 9 for now. Another thing I wanted to mention is, I'm not sure where I wrote this. If I wrote it down here or wrote it down here. I said in the last video, 7 and 7 is 14 DNA, becomes 5. 4 and 7 becomes 11, becomes 2. That is your Earth, the N and the K, and the word pink, P&I. At the same time, it's totaled of 151, which is 77 and 74, which becomes 11 this way, and because it's 77, it'll become the same thing. The total here is 25. The 5th letter, okay, is an E. The 11th letter is a K. The total of 25 is a Y, and it says key to Earth 74, 77, Jesus Christ. Is that key to Earth 151 through Mars? You don't understand? It's okay. It doesn't matter. I made it all up. I made it up through the truth that the numbers speak, the star system of addition, multiplication, and then when I take the addition and the multiplication, like the 14 and 11 equals 25, but if I take away 14 from 11, it is 3. 3 is for creation, A, B, C, Jack and the whole 5. The number 5 is actually telling you it's 1 whole and 1 quarter. And the reason it's quarter is because the dot in the center of a cube is 1 dot to 4 corners. So 4 is the 4 corners and 1 is the dot to that. 6 is the half-life. And the reason 6 is the half-life, and I'm quite sure most people won't watch my videos till the end because that's the experience I have, is 6 is a half-life because of the 2 dots in the center. We have the 5 for the 1 part to 4 parts. We have the 3 broken apart to 2 sides. Straight up and down. I'm very tired. Time for bed. Thank you for watching this video. Please share. Go to my page on Facebook and look for this piece of art design, Raphael Ronald Fremeth, R-O-N-A-L-D, Fremeth, F-R-E-M-E-T-H. I'm just looking if there's any errors. There might be some errors. I'm hoping there's not. Try and help me out with this design. Thank you.